Theories of creative processes. First theory, incubation theory. Second, convergent and divergent thinking theory. Third, creative cognition theory. Four, explicit implicit interaction theory. 5, conceptual blending theory. 6, honing theory. 7, everyday imaginative thought theory. Explanation going on. First, incubation theory. Incubation is a temporary break from creative problem solving that can result in insight. There has been some empirical research looking at a period of interruption from a problem may aid creative problem solving. Second theory, convergent and divergent thinking theory. J.P. Guilford draw a distinction between convergent and divergent production, commonly renamed convergent and divergent thinking. Convergent thinking involves aiming for a single correct solution to a problem, whereas divergent thinking involves creative generation of multiple answers to a set of problems. Detail about convergent thinking. It is refers to the generation of information from the given data, where the emphasis is on conventionally accepted best outcomes. Convergent thinking is a term coined by Joy Paul Guilford as the opposite to divergent thinking. It generally means the ability to give the correct answer to standard questions that do not require significant creativity. For instance, in most tasks, a school and on standardized multiple choice test for intelligence. Divergent thinking. Explanation. It involves thinking in different directions, searching and seeking some different variety and novelty. It is closely related with creativity. It simply means thinking out of the box. Divergent thinking is a thought process or method used to generate creative ideas by exploring many possible solutions. Look at this picture. Convergent thinking, divergent thinking. Look at this picture. For more understanding, divergent thinker. Think of all the possible way to reach the final solution. Convergent thinker think directly for final solution, omitting other possibilities. Difference between convergent thinking and divergent thinking. Convergent logical, divergent initiative. Convergent objective, but divergent subjective. Convergent intellectual but divergent emotional. Convergent realistic but divergent imaginative. Convergent planned but divergent impulsive. Convergent discriminative but divergent holistic. Convergent structural but divergent freewheeling. Convergent qualitative but divergent quantitative. Next theory, creative cognition theory. In 1992, Fink proposed the Ganipolar model, in which creativity takes place in two phases. A. Generative phase, where an individual constructs mental representation called pre-inventive structures. B. Exploratory phase, where those structures are used to cope up with creative ideas. Fourth theory, the explicit-implicit interaction, EII. Halley and Son recently proposed a unified framework for understanding creativity in problem solving, namely the explicit-implicit interaction theory of creativity. EII theory realizes 5 basic principles. First, the coexistence of the difference between explicit and implicit knowledge. Second, simultaneous involvement of implicit and explicit process in most tasks. Third, the representation of explicit and implicit knowledge. 4. The interaction of the results of explicit and implicit processing. 5. The interactive processing. Fifth theory, conceptual blending theory. Creativity arises as a result of intersection of two quite different frames of reference. The idea was later developed into conceptual blending. Sixth theory, honing theory. The creative processes is a way in which the individual hones means improving, and rehones an integrated world view. Honing theory emphasizes not only on the externally visible creative outcome, but also the internal cognitive restructuring and repair of the world views brought about by the creative process. Seventh theory, everyday imaginative thought theory. In everyday thought, people often spontaneously imagine alternatives to reality. When they think, if only, it has been proposed that the creation of counterfactual alternatives to reality depends on similar cognitive processes to rational thought. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.